Hello YouTube, just making this video about the TPM 2.0 that is required for Windows 11. My motherboard is quite good. That is B550 TAICHI, as you can see here, and I have Ryzen 7 3700X. It's 16 gigs of RAM. It's a beautiful system, runs very nice. But when I try to install Windows 11, I was shocked to know that I do not have TPM 2.0 something. So I tried to look for it. I went into the BIOS menu. I read the manual actually, and it told very little about this option, trusted computing. And I just came here and I came to know that, oh, there's no security device found. Then I looked at further for the information, and I came to know that I need to buy a TPM module to go onto my motherboard so that I can install Windows 11. That was devastating because I spent nearly 3 grand to this computer. That was just devastating. But I just kept looking for it, and recently I came to know about an option, and someone said that your computer should have automatically, it should have a TPM module in there. And they told me to go into the option where you have to go to CPU configuration in advanced options, go in there, and then come down all the way down to FTPM switch, AMD FTPM switch. Then you press enter and you have to enable it to this option. And then when you go back in advanced and you go to trusted computing, and you have to say, that's enabled, that's fine, no security device found. Then I think you need to restart your computer. Yeah, you have to restart it. You have to save changes, save and exit, and then say yes. And then when you restart it, it should automatically recognize your FTPM thing. So let's try. Press del. Sorry, my video is shaky. I'm not very good with videos on YouTube. I just found this information and I just made a video about it, just really quick. Okay. Press del, keep pressing. Yeah, it's here now. So you go into advanced again and then go into trusted computing, and now you can see that it has recognized your TPM information. TPM 2.0 device found, its firmware version and whatever. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna restart it and then see if my Windows has recognized this this thing. Okay, let's try that, because my Windows before it was saying that you do not have a TPM module installed, and I tried my best, but I couldn't install Windows 11. But I found out another way. It was a hack. Just another way somewhere on internet. I just found that I can install. So I just installed. Yeah, my Windows is loaded, and I need to quickly. Okay, this is my Windows. All right, this is already Windows 11. I just installed it before, so I'm gonna go Windows X and then run and TPM. So you have to put this command in, tpm.msc, and then go OK. Yep, now my Windows has recognized and it says TPM is ready to use. That's awesome. I just wanted to share this information with you guys, and hopefully this will be helpful for you as well. Thank you very much.